Hey YouTube, fixing the lights on the KE. Got 6-volt tail light, and obviously I got the key and now it works. Put it in. Neutral light comes on. Turn signals, unfortunately, that light works. That's what they do. But see, that's with a 6-volt bulb. I probably can't see it in there, but yeah, see, like I soldered wires on it because it's a different bulb style. But obviously I couldn't use the 12-volt bulb. Just compare that. Brake light works. 6-volt also. The high beam light doesn't work. One works. Obviously the turn signal relay doesn't work, which sucks. And if I shorted this thing out, I hear it, something clicking up here. So I guess it's under the tank, so I'm gonna look for that. I got a 12-volt relay, so I don't know if it'll work, but whatever. If not, I can just return it. If it works, it's $5. And that's it. Seat lock. Turn this all the way around. Has a parking light or something. That's it. I will update you randomly, or I guess when I get the tank off, or if I take the turn signal off, or whatever I do next. Hey guys, I pulled that off and it says limiter 6-volt. It's really hard to film it. There you go. And then I looked and I saw this, which I believe to be the relay for the turn signals, because I got 2 wires coming out and it looks similar to this. Hey guys, you can see I moved the tank back. It's held on by little kind of rail things, which you can't see, but I can. And pretty sure this is the turn signal relay, about like 99% sure. And it says 6-volt on it. Right there. And it's held on by this rubber thing. It goes on that little kind of piece of metal right there. See how it fits on. And I'm going to try just hooking up that one, even though it's 12-volt. If it doesn't work, then I'll go to the salvage yard tomorrow and get a 6-volt. And hopefully I can use this little rubber holder thing on it. If not, that would suck. Got the relay out, or flasher, whatever you want to call it. Made in USA, surprisingly. Thought it would say made in Japan for a Japanese bike. Apparently not. Yeah, as you can see, I got it out of this rubber case, and the sticker's a little messed up, but I'm gonna go back to the salvage yard tomorrow and get a new one. Or old one that should work. And I put the tank back on, and you can see I can just test it with these wires here. I'm gonna stop this from hanging, but I'm gonna leave it because I have to move it anyway. And I'm gonna do this turn signal, and then I guess I'll show you what that looks like. Do with that soldering iron. Metalwork solder, because I lost the electrical. Hey guys, here's what the turn signal looks like. I drill holes for the little pins in this plastic. Then I drill holes for the zip tie. And I carve out a little piece in here. And I solder wires on it. I put the zip tie on last, by the way. And obviously before I mount it up, I like to test it. But before I do that, I like to plug in the battery. Crap. Just realized. Took the turn signal relay out. I will put that back on.